Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel where we dive into the world of finance. Today we're talking about something we all use daily. It is money. But here's the kicker. Most of us don't even know why our money works the way it does. You've probably heard of the term fiat money, but what exactly is that? And why do we trust it? Let's break it down. First things first. Where does the word fiat come from? Well, the word fiat is Latin for let it be done or it shall be. Pretty powerful, right? That's because fiat money has value because a government says it does, not because it's backed by gold, silver, or any other physical commodity. It is somewhat just paper. Crazy, right? Back in the day, people used commodity money, things like gold, silver, or even certain crops that had value because they were tangible assets. Money, in this form, was based on something real, something people could hold in their hands and be confident about. But during times of war or economic crisis, like during the World Wars, governments needed a lot of money fast. The gold reserves weren't enough to cover their spending, so they temporarily suspended the gold standard to print more currency. Fast forward to 1971, and this temporary suspension became permanent. President Nixon took the US dollar off the gold standard, and suddenly, our money wasn't backed by gold anymore. It was just backed by trust. Trust in the government, trust in the economy, and trust in the central bank to keep it stable. That's how we officially entered the fiat currency system. So why do we trust fiat money? It's simple. The government enforces it. When they declare something as legal tender, it means everyone has to accept it as payment for goods and services. But there's more to it. We trust fiat money because we believe that our central banks, like the Federal Reserve or the European Central Bank, will manage the money supply properly. They're supposed to keep inflation in check and make sure the currency stays stable. And as long as that system holds up, we keep using fiat money with confidence. But here's a thought. What if we didn't have fiat money? What if tomorrow, all that trust vanished? How would we pay for things? How would we receive wages? In a world without fiat, we might go back to bartering, trading goods and services directly. Imagine paying your rent with a sack of potatoes or receiving your salary in livestock. Or maybe we'd turn to cryptocurrencies, which many people see as the future of money. But here's the catch. Cryptos are still largely built on trust, just like fiat. Except now, instead of trusting governments, you're trusting code and decentralized systems. So, at the end of the day, fiat money is really about trust. It's a system that's worked for decades, and it's the backbone of our modern economy. And whether or not we stick with fiat or move towards digital currencies in the future, one thing remains clear. Money only works when we all believe in its value. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think would happen if fiat money disappeared? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.